Hi there. I am back out on my property, riding the bike a little bit. I just got out here. I'm going to share with you my septic spot. I came out here. I don't have the camper with me. I have the car, some car camping, but I came out just to permanently mark the septic setup so it doesn't get lost, and it's already kind of hard to see. I had to call Don and ask exactly where everything was because the cows have already taken some of the stakes out that he placed for me. So that's what I'm working on, and I will share my setup maybe tomorrow because it's getting kind of late and the sun's about to set. It's so perfect out. Beautiful.